Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
As the journey unfolds along Newfoundland's Route 60, the drive offers a glimpse into the rich history and scenic beauty of the Avalon Peninsula. Harbour Main is a historic community with roots dating back to 1696. The area was among the earliest settled on Newfoundland's east coast, primarily due to its abundant natural resources. The first official census recorded 550 residents in Harbour Main and 158 in Chapel's Cove, with most inhabitants engaged in fishing. Additionally, local farmers raised horses, cattle, and other livestock. Continuing along Route 60, the town of Lakeview comes into view. While specific historical records about Lakeview are limited, it is part of the larger municipality known as Harbour Main Chapel's Cove Lakeview.
Thank you very much.
This combined town is situated on the Avalon Peninsula, overlooking Conception Bay. The residents of these towns have traditionally relied on fishing and agriculture, reflecting the resourcefulness and resilience characteristic of Newfoundland's coastal communities. Today, visitors can experience the rich cultural heritage and natural beauty that define this region. This drive along Route 60 not only offers scenic vistas but also a journey through the deep-rooted history and enduring spirit of Newfoundland's coastal towns.
Thanks for watching!